Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? How are you today? And to anyone new, I'd like to welcome you. My name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail tech. On this channel, you'll see a variety of nail content. Polygel, as you see, today I'll be showing you Femi Beauty's Lazy Girl method. Acrylics, which I just did a Gucci nail design. And bougie nails on a budget that features press-on nail designs. I post regularly on Tuesdays and Thursdays and also offer random content spontaneously on other days. I hope you enjoyed today's video, so let's get started. As you see, a base coat is used first. It helps any embellishments you choose to add keep in place before adding your polygel. It should at least be quick cured according to your particular lamp and product. Just long enough to help things stay in place. Here, I've chosen some light glitter of the same color and some circular glitter to give this set a bit of a casual and fun look. The primary thing I know about the Lazy Girl method by Femi Beauty is how easy and practical it is to achieve that beautiful nail salon look, and it's definitely a time saver for sure. The tips I'm using were gifted by a personal friend when she found out I had a nail channel. This is a dual-ended polygel brush with a brush on one end and a slim spatula on the other. Once you're done with your art pieces, the polygel can be added. I chose a very bright orange. I've only done Femi Beauty's Lazy Girl method a few times and would still need to improve at it, so I plan to continue doing so on my own. Then maybe I can share a design idea with it from time to time, like when I did my Undercover nail bling set, where I combined my idea with Femi Beauty's Lazy Girl method using the Makartt pump-ups, and it turned out so beautiful. I'll have a link for it at the end of this video. I discovered early on when I first tried it with acrylic, that was in the early part of last year, how easy it was to do on my dominant hand. Isn't that awesome? If you feel it might be something you want to try, Femi Beauty has an extensive playlist with so many of her remarkable nail sets, along with thorough explanations of her Lazy Girl method, especially with helpful information doing it with varied brands of products she used, and tips on how to create certain effects. I'll have a link of her playlist in my description box. And as I always say, when you visit her, be sure to let her know that you're from my channel and that I sent you in love. In fact, feel free to let her know about today's video and how much I love this set I ended up creating. So once the nail enhancement is filled moderately, you simply place it on the nail bed, ensuring that it's straight. When done properly, you should feel a suction effect. Be sure to check for any spillage around the edges that need to be cleaned away. This is done using the same brush saturated with a little alcohol. Also, remember to check the underside for any bulking that may have been caused by pressing down on the enhancement. Now, cleanup may not be needed on every nail as you get more comfortable doing this. Cure according to your particular lamp and the polygel you use, as many polygels do have different consistencies. So here, I didn't add the base coat as I didn't choose to use any embellishments. So you're seeing two different examples already. Just remember that polygel has a sticky layer after curing. Now, as we go along, the clips have been made shorter because this was just to give you an idea. At this particular point, I would just like you to notice how evenly and consistently the polygel is laid. Also making sure the product is clean from the edges. Anything you can do to reduce the need for filing in the end is always beneficial. For this last one I'm showing you, you'll notice I've already done the base coat with some glitter and cured that. So I'm just going in with the polygel. I will give this definite advice when it comes to doing polygel. Be well prepared ahead with alcohol to your side, because polygel tends to be sticky and you'll need it not only just to wipe the enhancement, but possibly wipe it off yourself as well. As I mentioned, polygel has a sticky layer and should be wiped with a lint-free wipe and alcohol. Now y'all know this is already being done using my left hand, so I'll finish this off camera. While I was doing that, I started adding top coat, totally forgetting to start recording again. Then when I remembered, this is where I'm adding gem adhesive. You can use whatever you have as a preference because there's so many favorite products on the market. This part is actually sped up 3 times because, let me ask you this, have you ever tried accurate gem placement with your non-dominant hand? In this case, it's my left hand. Here's a brief glimpse. I wasn't even touching anything. It's like my left hand wouldn't do what I wanted it to do. I hope you enjoyed this. Do you like this orange set? Let me know. Consider subscribing to my channel and join this NailTube family. And when you click the Nailification bell, you officially become part of the Nailification Squad and will be informed of everything new on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Much love.